Okay, so we're gonna install the Enigma Type Viii RTF. Okay, I'll have a link to it below. In order to install this, we're gonna take the seat off. And we're gonna take the side cover off. We're gonna reset the ECU, TPS, XYZ, on and on we go. And then we're gonna plug that into the ECU and map it. And should get incredible performance, amazing performance. So in order to achieve this, we're using the Takegawa filter and the Takegawa sports pipe, and we'll put the map in, and this is the saga of the Enigma controller. Okay, so here's what we've done. We've taken the battery out. We did the resetting of the TPS, the ECU, especially the TPS. TPS is all done. Then we took the battery out. Now we're gonna plug this thing in. We're gonna plug in this bad boy, and then that's done. Okay, so the Enigma controller's installed. It's really just plug and play. Plug one into this, plug one into that. We wrap the wire, the exposed wire, down there with some white electrical, you can't see it, but down there with white electrical tape. And the harness is all connected. Did some double-sided tape and a couple of zip ties to hold it. It's in there pretty snug, actually. Battery's in, everything's hooked up. Gonna put the seat on, turn on, program it.
So real quick, since I didn't record this, I haven't had an opportunity to go out and actually test ride on the bike much. It's icy and snowy at the time that I'm making this video, and it's a little bit challenged doing that on two wheels. I did try. Maybe I'll have some opportunities later on. Couple things to note: if you want to put the bike into Bluetooth mode so that you can connect to it, you got to hold the throttle wide open. You know, this is once. So you go through the process. You reset the ECU, you reset the TPS, you install the Enigma controller, you button it down, you put it all back together, hook it all back up. You want to connect to it from your phone. You've downloaded the app. What you need to do is you got to hold the throttle wide open, turn on the key, and the engine check light will do a funky kind of flash, and that means it's emitting the Bluetooth signal, and you'll be able to find it on your phone and connect. And then once you start it with the thumb button and it operates, you'll see the tachometer work, and it gives you, almost instantaneous reads from the oil temperature, which is pretty slick because it's leveraging the factory. A couple things in this particular diagram in the background. You can see this is the fuel map for a Takegawa power filter and Takegawa Scrambler exhaust. I will be investigating options to include the camshaft potentially at a later date, but for sure the oil spinner, Takegawa oil spinner. Anyways, just a quick update on what to do, how to make it happen, but pretty easy project to get installed. It's really just the map that's the challenge. Please note, you can get a fuel injection controller direct from Takegawa as well, and they include a variety of different maps, both